Can you be as wonderful as this? Frog, where are you? Frog, what have I done?
The greatest toad will now...
Shut up! Frog! Frog! Where have you gone? Come back, Frog. I'll be lonely. Come back. Oh, I'll be lonely, Frog. Come back. Frog, where are you?
I'm right here. Wake up, Toad.
Frog, is that really you?
Well, of course it's me.
And are you your own right size?
Yes, I think so.
Frog, I'm so glad that you came over.
I always do.
Frog, can you be as wonderful as this? You came over.
I always do.
What have I done? Shut up!
I always do. I always do. I always do. I always do.